Jesus of Nazareth. Is this Abraham Adesoya? Hey, the same Abraham Adesoya we know be another one. Before.